In today's video, we'll be discussing how to balance family life and manage your money effectively in the UK. Juggling work, family, and finances can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can achieve financial success while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. So let's dive in. Set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a house, planning for your children's education, or building an emergency fund, having specific objectives will help you stay focused and motivated. Discuss these goals with the whole family and make sure you're all on the same page. This can be a great time to teach kids about saving up for things you really want, rather than spending it on something less exciting now. Or if your goal is leaning towards clearing debts, then explaining both what the debts are and the benefits of clearing them is a valuable lesson to learn. No pun intended. Create a family budget. Next, create a family budget that takes into account all of your income sources and expenses as a whole, rather than for an individual. This will help you track your spending, identify areas where you can cut costs, and allocate funds towards your goals. Remember to review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure it stays up to date with your family's needs. You can also see how the money coming in is distributed among the family and have conversations about what is fair and how you could be more efficient with your family spending. Family days out can be expensive when left to be spontaneous and untracked. A pro tip is if you keep going back to the same places, look into a family season pass. They usually work out much cheaper, and once you have it, you will always have something to do on those days when you just need to get out of the house. Prioritize debt repayment. High interest debts, such as credit card balances, should be tackled first. Reducing your debt will not only save you money on interest payments, but also improve your credit score and financial stability. You might be tempted to skip this step and move on to the more exciting goals, such as a holiday. But while high interest debt is ongoing in the background, it will be harder to save up for anything fun. So instead, use that excitement as motivation. Power through your debt and keep on top of your bad spending habits so you can then focus on the things you really want to get or experience as a family. Make time for family. Remember that balancing work and family life is just as important as managing your finances. There is a constant push to get more money, bigger homes, newer cars, so much so that sometimes the value of being with your family gets pushed to the side. It can be great to take a step back and rebalance your priorities based around what you actually want. Getting more hours at work can be great to work towards paying off debts more quickly or building an emergency fund. But if it means you miss out on family events, and if you can get by without them, are they really so essential? Of course, none of us would work at all if we didn't have to, but that's not how the world works. The objective here is just to take a moment and assess the balance between work, money, goals, family life, and just think about what we would like, and potentially rebalance the scales a little bit. By maintaining a healthy work-life balance, you will be better equipped to handle financial challenges and enjoy a happier, more fulfilling life. If you have any tips that I didn't cover here, then share them in the comments for others to see. I have some fun money-based games in the video up here that can help kids learn about money. Check that out if you're interested, and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.